Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R360 server. In this video, we're going to show you how to update your IP address. Let's get going. Well, hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R360 server. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like, smash that subscribe. All right, we'll top in. This is going to be a video dedicated to updating your IP address. We're going to show you two different ways to do that. We're going to show you how to do a static IP address update and DHCP. Let's get going.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'm going to show you two different ways to configure your IP address. DHCP, which will automatically set an IP address for your server, and static IP, which will be manually entered into your server. The things you will need are your network card and an active network connection. So first, let's start with DHCP. During the post, you'll press F10 and enter the lifecycle controller. Navigate down to the settings, and on the right, select network settings. You need to select the network port your Cat5 cable is plugged into. We are using embedded NIC 1. So on the IPv4 network settings, change the IP address source to DHCP and click Finish in the bottom corner of the screen. This will apply the changes and automatically set an IP address which will give the server internet access. So now we will show you how to configure your network settings by setting up a static IP address. Same thing here, during post, just press F10 and you'll get in the lifecycle controller. Then go down to the settings, and on the left you'll click on network settings, and you will select the network port that you want to configure like before. Ours is the same as before, so we're going to go ahead and click on embedded NIC 1. Go down to IPv4 network settings, and on IP address source you will select static IP. This will allow us to manually change the IP address, subnet mask, and the default gateway. Here we will change the IP address to 172.16.50.163. Then our subnet mask will be 255.255.254.0. And our default gateway will be 172.16.50.1. And finally, our DNS address will be 10.1.10.10. Click Finish at the bottom right corner of the screen. Your IP address will be changed and saved to the one you manually entered. You've done it. You successfully configured your IP address via DHCP and static IP. Hey, do us a favor, click that like button and smash subscribe. If you're looking for any custom built 16th gen, 15th gen, 14th gen, maybe you're looking for an HPE server or a Supermicro, IBM, Cisco, maybe you're looking for a Ryzen server. We do it all. We have both new and refurbished. So please give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by.